To my hand, Timina me Noah. Masudaye.
God have mercy.
And I'm missing me build the ark. Into ark na me building. Ark na me building. Akakakra me frefro bia 2222 pairs. 2222 pairs. By 25th December na me we ark. Nyame se oba be say we ase. Nti me catch it. Unim se obekọ a ka hello I will go. Ka hello I will go. Nti akna na missing. Akna na missing. Akna na missing. Can't you say we are ready? I'm 25th December na me we. Nti me for obi a pe. Unim se obekọ tro and our comment section I will go. You have to get here before 25th December. 25th December. I said, listen to what I'm saying. I said 25th December is going to rain. It's going to rain. And this rain is going to last for 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 years, 4 years. We are going to be in the ark. We are building 10 for now. You will 2. 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 Indiana be na egugu on. Indiana air short papa. But still by Ochina Bibrina Ebeba. Me no beko we India ebinim ede abecheye. We India ebinim ede abecheye. Ebisuni ati ase. We Indiana bi ede abecheye. Ti usha who don't say first one in the first one you first one. Then this is the second one. Yeah, you go so yeah. First one and the second one. First one, second one. You can see the third one at the back. The third one at the back.
Hey yo, hey. Everybody come, let us go. Chai. Brother Abel Noah say we should come to his ark. We should comment and say we are going to join. Come. Hey, Mama Nkechi. Excuse me, sir, Brother Noah Abel. I want to ask you, are you going to put afang soup in that ark? Are you going to put fufu, loi? Are you going to put it there? Okay, sir. I like goat meat. And 404. Will you put 404 and goat meat there? Okay, I'm coming. I packed my load already, Brother Abel. Brother Noah, I'm coming. Thank you very much. Oh, bravo, to say. You are wondering why I'm carrying bag, right? It's because I'm prepared to go and join Brother Abel Noah in Ghana, in Kumasi. I want to join him so that I will be safe from the 3 years rain, 3 to 4 years rain that is coming to the world.
God have mercy upon us.
But I still have some questions because this Noah of this time, I don't understand. He said people are going to enter 2-2. Not bakum. 2-2. Right? Sir, this your ark. How many people will it take in total? Also, this your ark. Is it for people in Ghana alone? Or is the whole world in diaspora?
This man.
This 3 years rain or 4 years rain, is it only in Ghana or is it in the whole world? I want to know so I can start making arrangements to come and stay around there so that they will be rushing time. Where people will be rushing, I don't want to rush. I want to book my place. Brother Noah Ebo, please help me answer this question. Because it seems like you are smoking in ghost. You are doing
God have mercy upon us.
Look at the ark you are building. Please Is that 2-bedroom flat? Or is that room and parlor?
It is smoky book.
How many people do you want to carry inside that ark? He said they are going to build 10 of it. They are already building 2.5, almost 3. That the wood is short. I'm translating to you if you don't understand tree now. Make cancel. They say the wood there is short. They will supply more wood so that they will build more. That if you are interested, commenting, I will go. I will be there. 25th of December. Prepare, or else for 3 to 4 years there will be rain and it will sweep you and your family.
We must learn a lesson.
Excuse me, sir. You have smoking, but you don't have sense. Have you gone to see the big ship that people are using to cruise the town? God did not see anybody to tell it is you, and he told you to push. He said you build ship with wood. I'd rather die, stay, let that rain kill me, than join this your boat. Have you seen massive ships that has 12 decker? You know you have not seen anything. Have you seen massive ship that has 12 decker, that has everything, that has hotel, that has gym, that have basketball court, they have everything inside. And you are telling me to come and enter this your kwasiasem, this your nonsense. No. Who is the supplier of in Ghana? That guy has a sure plug because it's not. You mean you carry your money to go and be building this thing?
God have mercy upon us.
This thing we sink now. Excuse me, sir. And so some carpenters actually came and responded to you to be building this thing. Wow. Now people are chasing money. They don't think whether what they are doing is sensible. They just, so you called carpenter and he came. And he told him that God says you should build ark. And the carpenters are joining you to build this nonsense. Have you seen state-of-the-art ships that the world, in the Western world, they are building? First of all, I'm not going again. I'm not going again. Because it's not my life. You used to do tumbo, it's not my life. We should leave everything we're doing. December 25th, there's going to be rain for 2-3 years. 2-3 years. Then I will Noah. Unim say you are going crazy. Unim say you are going crazy. Charlie, take care of yourself, Papa. What are you taking? Wait, reduce it. Bring it down. The person will catch will say, calm down. Look at this thing very well. When you made this video, are you making sense? When you make this video, are you okay in your medulla oblongata? You move ahead though. I have connection. I can sell you one slot. For those of you, I have direct number to Noah Ebo. So if you want, contact me, send me a DM, and I will, I will connect you to it. He said that God says you should build ark. 25th of December, rain will start for 3 or 4 years. That's what he said. We will all join the whole distance. We will all join it, oh. We will all join it. We are coming, sir. Thank you very much. Bonque. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, ma. I have either entertained you, I have kept you company, I've made you laugh, or simply informed you. Why haven't you subscribed? This subscription that you are hoarding, you don't want to click it. They don't charge dollar, they don't charge pound sterling, they don't charge naira for it. No, it's free. Simply subscribe. When you subscribe, that's what you can use to appreciate me and let my channel grow. Subscribe and share. That way I can come back here and give you gist. Until I come your way next time with a good gist and a good topic, I remain Mr. Udofort. Thank you very much. Bongwen.